In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take screenshot in Google Chrome without installing any extensions. First, open Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the page, image, article, or section that you want to capture in your screenshot. Before taking the screenshot, make sure the content you need is clearly visible on your screen. It helps to scroll to the exact area you want, so you do not need to retake it later. Next, press and hold the Windows key, the Shift key, and the S key at the same time. When you do this, the screen will dim slightly, and the screenshot tool will open. This allows you to select a specific part of your screen instead of capturing everything. Using this method is useful because it gives you more control over exactly what appears in the image. Now, click and drag your mouse over the area you want to screenshot. Start from one corner of the section you want to capture, then drag across to the opposite corner. As you drag, you will see the selected area being highlighted. Once you release the mouse button, the screenshot is taken automatically. After that, click Remove. This is the final action shown in the process. If you see that option on your screen, simply select it to continue. Make sure you only do this after your screenshot has already been captured. That covers everything you need to know.